So here I have the call director connected on the first key row to my key system unit. And I did try and connect these 4 other key rows as well. And so these 3 seem like duds, where currently as they're wired, I don't get any audio over the handset or headset, and it does not operate the A leads. So it doesn't seem to do anything. So I'm not exactly sure how they have this connected or wired, but I'm assuming the 4-wire system needs to be engaged in order for these to work. Then this one here was able to operate tip and ring, so you can hear audio on the lines, but again, the A leads were not working for some reason. Then this key row here, these 2 seem to be wired normally, and then these 3, well, for sure these 2 here are not wired normally because they actually operate the line cards even if the handset is down and there's no headset connected. So normally those would not operate. And this one here is my intercom, so I'm not exactly sure if that one is wired normally or not. So if I lift the handset, this is another weird thing, is the line card will stay activated if I hang up. So again, I'm not exactly sure how they have it wired. And the release key and everything else is working normally. So I'm going to call line 1 from line 2 so you can see the bell working. I'm not exactly sure yet about the buzzer, where it's wired or on what cable. Also, the light bulbs they have in these key rows are extremely dim, so I'm not exactly sure if, so you can see if I operate this one here, it's much brighter. So, not sure what's up with this phone yet, so I'll need to do a lot more testing and hopefully find some schematics on how it's wired. I did also trace a few wires that this orange wire, this violet wire, those are normally used for speakerphone operation from the dial pad, so you can dial out while on hook. And currently they're not connected to anything. Then the brown yellow pair here, the striped wires seem to go back to the terminal board, who knows where. And then the solid brown and yellow wire go to the 4-wire operation relay right here, and they seem to cross connect when the relay is operated. I haven't figured out yet how to trigger the relay. All I know is this slate wire right here goes to the relay, and then there's a white slate wire that goes again back into the rat's nest here. And I know that the white slate and there's another violet wire coming off of the 4-wire relay that go back into here. Those 2 are what is required in order for the relay to get power. And then I'm not sure where the push to talk button is wired, but probably somewhere in between, so that when you operate the push to talk, it'll trigger the relay and then get the other key rows to work. So I guess I'll just make another update once I figure out more.